Hey folks, Rich here with RCINFORMER with a special announcement for everybody. For those of you who are interested in the FMS SU-27, it is now available at fmshobby.com and also Fair RC. And much to my surprise, if you're interested in the J-11, it's now also available. They're both going to be in very limited supply, folks. I wasn't really sure that they were even going to carry these. Quite some time ago, I did a unbox assembly of the FMS SU-27 here in the blue paint scheme, and this last week, about a week or two ago, we did the J-11, but we didn't know that they were really going to be available, and all of a sudden now they're available for you guys. Additionally, I have special savings for you guys. If you check the links in the description below, we do have coupon codes down there, a special coupon code offered just for you guys, only available at RCINFORMER. So if you guys want to get either one of these models, there's a special discount. I actually asked if we could get that for everybody, to save on one of these, and they were able to supply me with a really good discount code. So if you guys are interested in one of these, again, very limited supply, I'll go ahead and I'll put the unbox and assembly we did of the SU-27 and the J-11. I'll put those videos you guys can check out in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Also, the first flight demos we did on the SU-27 we just posted as well. I'll put the link for that also in the right hand corner of the screen. You guys can click on and drop those down and check them out. So guys, awesome airplanes. Had a blast flying this. I'm not done with it yet. That was just the first flight. First couple flights we did on it just to kind of iron out the bugs and do a few things with it. And there's more to come on both of these planes as we get afterburners in them and as we do other things to them. So stay tuned. So anyway, guys, just want to let you know, special savings on both airplanes. They're available in limited supply at both FMS Hobby and Fair RC in the links below with a special discount code just for you guys. So anyway, thanks guys for watching RCINFORMER. As always, folks, we'll see you all next time.